Gail, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Happy to be here with you for another edition of Ask the Joes and Kale. This is Kale Flagey.
Hello.
I'm Joe Lowry Jr. We're both with Lowry Financial Advisors, and we're here to share a little bit of wisdom and maybe change your mind about something that you may or may not have heard in the past. Although I don't know how we would change your mind if you'd not heard about it. Maybe we're just going to teach you something you didn't know.
We just lost all of our listeners.
All of them right away.
Or viewers.
Kale, should we sell in May and go away?
No.
Why not?
Well, there's no real connection between that clever saying and negative market returns in the summer.
Exactly. Just like any other period in the markets, sometimes the markets are up and sometimes the markets are down.
Very deep. So where does this saying even come from?
Well, our friend Brad McMillan shared in a recent blog post that some people think it may have originated with Wall Street traders who wanted to have a little more calm vacation and get away. That's one possibility. Another one is that it may be because people thought that if they sat out of the market, they could avoid some of the crashes that have happened historically in the fall, like October, like in 2008, 1987. Those could be a couple of things.
Yeah, I've heard that they just, sell their stocks and go to the Hamptons for the summer.
Sounds okay. Just eating lobster rolls on the beach.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
So anyway, those market crashes, those are, extraordinary events. They can't really be correlated with May.
Exactly. There's just not that connection. May has already been a good month for the markets. And while we don't know if that will continue, it does seem like continued good earnings and recovery from the COVID-related stuff will provide support for the market going forward.
Good, yeah. Clever sayings do not make good investment strategies. We've talked about the difference between investment and speculation before, and we, need to remember that investing is about trying to identify fundamental reasons of why a company or other investments will or will not succeed, and that does not include selling in May and going away.
Exactly. So there you have it. Don't sell in May and go away. Instead, make choices based on a well-reasoned investment program. As always, remember that this material is intended for informational, educational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice, a solicitation, or a recommendation to buy or sell a security or investment product. Please contact your financial professional for more information specific to your situation. Thanks for joining us.